Hey, this is Dr. Ty from Premier Orthodontics, and in this video we're going to be answering a question from our YouTube audience. This one comes from Clean Kenya, and she says, I feel my orthodontist overtreated me. I don't think I want my braces anymore because I'm coming to doubt that I needed them. Would it be right to ditch that orthodontist and go elsewhere to have them removed without completing the time period? So for me personally, whenever a patient is done with braces, they're done, I just take them off, no questions asked. And most doctors, I assume, are probably going to say the same thing. So if someone comes into the office and says, I'm done with my braces, take them off, I will probably look at their teeth and let them know where they're at, risks of stopping treatment at that point. But again, it's their teeth, their choice, their decision. If they want their braces off, 100% they come off and we're done. That's not a big deal. So I'm assuming your orthodontist will likely do the same thing. So I would definitely voice your concerns to your current orthodontist. Let them know, I don't want my braces, I'm done, take them off. Again, they'll probably look at your teeth, let you know the risks associated with taking them off at that point, and maybe let you know, like, if you give us a couple more months, we'll probably get you here. But again, if you decide you want them off, go ahead and get them off. I don't think transferring to another orthodontist is necessarily necessary. Usually your doctor is not going to force you to do something that you don't want to do, and they'll likely let you go ahead and get those braces off. So definitely talk to your doctor, ask them what the risks are associated with getting your braces off at that current position. And again, if that's your decision, that is your decision. Hopefully that's helpful. If you found the video helpful, give it a like, subscribe to the channel for more brace related content, and we'll talk to you soon.